Welcome back, dear students. So once again, continuing with the S block element after completing the chemical bonding chapter. In that also 2-3 theories are remaining that I will cover, but let us complete this part which was remaining in S block. The compounds of sodium. So 3 main compounds of sodium we are going to study today. The first one is sodium chloride. So sodium chloride occurrence कहाँ पे मिलता है? समुद्र में. Okay. Sea water is the main source of sodium. It is found in the sea bottom, sea bed. Maximum amount of sodium along with other salts are present and is found in sea water. That is a major source. That's why only the evaporation of sea water, if it is carried out, evaporation of sea water, just मतलब sea water को हम maximum quantity में कंटेनर में लेंगे, evaporate कर देंगे, हमको सोडियम क्लोराइड मिल जाएगा. That's why there is no special method of preparing sodium chloride नमक. ठीक है? So this was the introduction for sodium chloride. Then properties. So properties already we know because every day we are consuming sodium chloride. So it is a crystalline solid. It is a crystalline solid and melting point 1081 Kelvin. 1081 Kelvin, which will be approximately equal to 875 or 850 degrees centigrade. So melting point is quite high for a pure sodium chloride. Then the uses. So uses is a very important component of our food. In appropriate amount we have to consume sodium chloride. Okay. In appropriate amount we have to consume sodium chloride in food or any other eatables. Now it is also used in preparing the freezing mixture. अब ये freezing mixture मतलब क्या मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Freezing mixture is a mixture of ice and सोडियम क्लोराइड. बर्फ और नमक का जो मिक्सचर है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर. गर्मियों में जब कुल्फी वाले साइकिल पे घूमते हैं तो उनके पास जो कंटेनर रहता है जिसमें वो कुल्फी तैयार करके बेचते हैं, तो जो मेन कंटेनर जिसमें ये पूरा मिक्सचर रहता है कुल्फी, तो उसके बाजू में वो बर्फ़ और नमक का मिक्सचर भर के रखते हैं, फिर उसको दूसरे बड़े कंटेनर में फिक्स करते हैं. तो रोल ऑफ सॉल्ट मिक्स्ड विथ ice is that when ice is mixed with salt, temperature is very low, 5 degrees, 4 to 5 degrees. Okay, and secondly, the sodium chloride will not allow the ice to melt quickly. Okay, ice will remain in its solid state for a longer time. Okay, so this is the main role of preparing the freezing mixture and role of NaCl use. Now the second component is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate washing soda, है ना, रिन पाउडर, व्हील पाउडर जो भी है, वॉशिंग सोडा. So how to prepare? So one process they have given here. Solvay is the process. Solvay's process. So in Solvay's process, the first step, ammonia, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, they will react and we will get one compound, ammonium carbonate first. दिख रहा है ना आपको? ओके, सेकेंड स्टेप में यही अमोनियम कार्बोनेट को हम लोग सोडियम क्लोराइड के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे, तो हमको फाइनली क्या मिलता है, Na2CO3 and by product will be ammonium chloride. Okay, now the properties. So one very important reaction we have to understand here, the dehydration reaction of hydrated sodium carbonate. ये देखो ये hydrated है ना, Na2CO3 10H2. Why hydrated? Because it is containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. That's why it is called hydrated. So heat in the first step 9 molecules are lost. This also, if you continue eating, this water molecule also will be lost, and we get dehydrated Na2CO3. Now NaHCO3 बेकिंग सोडा फूड में यूज करते हैं, कुछ फूड आइटम्स में सोडा. ओके, बेकिंग सोडा. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दिस? This step will get from continuation of this Solvay's process only. Na2CO3 you treat with water and carbon dioxide and you get directly NaHCO3. Now properties, decomposition reaction we have written here. Sodium bicarbonate will decompose to give again this reaction. Can you see these two reactions? Can you see? These two reactions are opposite. See, here NaHCO3 is obtained, they are the reactants. Here NaHCO3 is the reactant, we get the product. See, ऐसे आपको पढ़ना है, ऐसे आपको ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है? कंपेयर करके पढ़ो. Okay, and uses, of course you know the uses. It can be used to prepare washing soda also, and it is used in the preparing some food stuff, okay, that we are consuming. Okay, so remaining simple uses you can go through the text. Uses are very easy. Main part of the reactions. Okay. So these were 3 important compounds of the sodium. Remaining part similarly, when you go through, this is the pattern how to study the compounds of particular element. Okay, this pattern you have to follow. मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको. Okay, so after this, now next time again we'll continue with the chapter chemical bonding. Okay, VSEPR theory and molecular orbital theory are remaining. So with specific example we will complete that chapter. So I hope you have understood today's lecture. Okay, watch this video and study carefully. Okay, any doubts you can ask in group or in the class. Okay, so have a nice day. Thanks for today.